How to change the color of an image in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this flat design of a donut here, and I'm just gonna select it. And the way we do this is we first have to turn it into a vector because it's a JPEG right now. Just gonna go to image trace here, and I'm gonna choose something like 16 colors. And now we wait for it to do its magic, and it will convert each of these colors into a separate fill. And once it's done, we will have a vector image like this. I can click on expand, and once I do that, I can ungroup it and I can select the individual colors like that. Let me remove this background here. Okay, I can select each of these colors and I can turn it into something else if I want to manually, or we can just select this whole thing and I can go up here where it says edit, and I go to edit colors and I click on recolor artwork. Now this may appear when you do it. So let me see the advanced options. So I go down here where it says advanced options, and I prefer to do it that way. I just look for, let's say, this color, this one, and I can just choose it, and I can pick something else like this mint green, for example, like that. Maybe I want to make it lighter, different shade. Let me copy this. And let's say the next color I want to be similar, just a bit darker. I just copy this. I paste it down here and I just drag it down to make it darker, like this. And we just keep going like that. And it will do this to every color that has the same fill color. Like, for example, all the blue ones, these blue sprinkles will turn a different color at once. If I maybe want this magenta here, they will all change at once when I click on OK. As you can see, they changed color, and you can do this for every one of these colors that are selected here. After you're done, you just click on OK, and that's it. That's how you change the color of an image in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.